Hey everyone, we thought we'd show you what we end up getting for our potato harvest. We were hoping to leave them in the ground a little bit longer, but I don't know. I'm just gonna get what I can get out of this garden. It's just been horrible, so they're just not looking good. They're looking like they're dying back, and I'm afraid with any more rain, what's in the ground here will be rotting. But I did want to show you this. We did get a couple potatoes that put off them little seed balls, so that's kind of cool. But I'll just show you Paul getting some of the potatoes. And we planted just not a ton of potatoes this year really at all, because we were limited on space and all of that, but it was basically russets. And so far, a really small plant actually had some good amount of potatoes. And this one's looking pretty good. I think one rolled between your feet, Paul.
Yeah.
Wait, there's a big one on there. That's a really good size one. And then we'll look in the ground a little bit too. We'll just dig up a little bit of that soil too. And as always, you want to try and be careful and not poke any of your potatoes. And I'm thinking we got most of them. We'll just move on to the next plant here. Oh, again, can you see down in here? More seed balls. Great. Just fun to see them. He got into the carpeting. And the carpeting did work well to keep the weeds out. Those real little baby ones are good for a little bit during a quick dinner. Can you feel anything in the ground, like with your hands at all,
Yeah,
Paul? Is it?
in there.
There's nothing in there?
No, they're all hooked and attached.
So they're all staying pretty well attached then, huh?
Yep.
Alright, when we're all done, we'll see what we got. Meanwhile, there's some little turkeys out there, hopefully fattening up before the season. Alrighty, well that's our harvest. Not what we were hoping to get, but thankful that we got something. I'm really happy about getting those beans too, because I was tripping so hard on all the water out here thinking I wouldn't get any beans, and I've already gotten about, I'd say, 4 different trips out here, the same amount of beans you're looking at right now, and there's still more coming. So I'm grateful to God for helping me out that way. But I didn't get it on camera, but a couple of the plants, when Paul was digging them up, there is still so much water. It was completely saturated. It was just dripping water, literally, and it hasn't rained in 2 days. So yeah, I guess I'm glad we dug them up when we did, and I'm just really hoping next year's gardening season is a bit better than this year's. You guys take care.